Hi everyone, thanks so much for joining me today. I'm going to be giving the Too Faced Better Than Chocolate palette a third shot. I already have 2 tutorials up and it's just okay. It's an okay palette. It's nothing crazy. I'm not in love with it. There's nothing really special about this palette, but we are gonna, use it again today. I'm doing an all matte look, and this is my favorite eyeshadow look. So let's jump in. I'm using Buttercream. This is a great transition color. I have no complaints with this shade. I really like it. I like the tone, blends out well. The quality of the eyeshadows, they're okay. They're nothing crazy. So no complaints here so far. Now I'm taking the shade Nice Buns, and I actually really like this color too. It's a light orangey beige, and I'm putting that in the crease and also in the outer V. I want this to be just a really well blended, kind of blown out matte eyeshadow look. I think I did a pretty good job, not gonna lie. At the end I was like, wow, I could do this more often, I really like this look. Now I'm taking Bitter Half, which is a beautiful warm chocolatey color. Just look how pretty that color is. Isn't that so pretty? All shades are blending out really well. I've had no issues. Nothing looks patchy, nothing looks dry, so I really can't complain about that at all. So now I'm kind of doing a half cut crease, but also not really at the same time. This is not supposed to be perfect or precise at all. I just wanted my inner corners to be a little bit more bright. So I just took my concealer that I'm using for the day, and I just concealed the inner part of my lid, or the first half of my lid. Like I said, this is not supposed to be perfect. I just put a little concealer on, blended it out with my finger, and I called it a day. I set that concealer with Buttercream, and I feel like it just looks a lot better, a lot more put together, so I'm just tapping that on, and then of course I'm blending everything out. Like I said, I wanted this to be a very blown out, very well blended matte look, so that's just what I'm doing here. I'm taking brownie points, and I'm going to be doing a little wing with this. At first I was worried. I was like, I don't think this brown is dark enough, but it actually turned out so perfect, guys. I love this look so much. I feel like the wing just made it. And I love doing wings with eyeshadow. I think it's so cool and just so smoky, you know what I mean? So here I'm using the Hourglass Airbrush Vanish Concealer. I love this concealer so much, and I actually just ran out of it, and I purchased another one during the Sephora VIB sale. So love it a lot. Of course, I always sharpen up my edge for my eyeliner. You can't go wrong, especially if you have a hooded lid. Sharpening it and bringing it upwards really helps. So that's what I did. Of course I'm blurry, but you guys can see what I'm doing. And then I set my concealer with the Givenchy PRISME LIBRE powder. I'm back on this powder, guys. I was using the Dermablend powder for a long time, and don't get me wrong, I still use it, but I'm dabbling back into the Givenchy loose powder. I love both of them. I put on some Ardell Wispies, and then I did my lower lash line, just the brownie points, and then I blended that out with Nice Buns, and then this look is done, guys. I think, guys, I have graduated from the Ardell Wispies. I think I'm more into the Kiss ruffle lashes, but these are really pretty. Look how beautiful this look is. It's so effortless. Oh my god, and I feel like it's totally trendy. You know how brown is super in now with this eyeshadow? Oh my god, gorgeous. So that's what I have for That's all that I have for you guys today. Thanks so much for watching. I'll see you next time. Bye.